Hey everyone, it has been a while and now we're here, and I want to share something with you today that has been growing for a long time. Over the years, I've been asked again and again if I would ever create paid tutorials. And this video is my answer to that question. But what I'm building is not just another tutorial platform. Together with my partner Per Appelgren, a seasoned photographer in beauty and fashion and a good friend of mine, I founded the Curated Lab. We wanted to create the platform we both wished had existed on our own creative journeys. A place that goes far beyond watching videos. A place that gives you real access to the industry. At the Curated Lab, you don't just learn techniques. You learn how professionals think, decide, and work. And we wanted to make this platform your ticket into the industry. Inside the lab, you'll find in-depth content on photography, lighting, Capture One, high-end retouching, and Photoshop workflows. But just as important as the content itself is what happens around it. You will have access to live Q&A sessions with Per and me, where we talk openly about our workflows, projects, challenges, and real-world decisions. On top of that, we regularly invite carefully selected guests from the industry in our networks, people you normally don't get access to. Creatives with real experience, real careers, and real insight into how this industry actually works. Another key element of the Curated Lab are our portfolio circles. These are live sessions where you can present your work and receive direct, honest feedback from us and from our guest creatives. Not generic comments, real critique. The kind of feedback that helps you move forward. The Curated Lab offers 3 different membership models designed for different stages of your journey, but with one shared goal. We train visual ninjas. That means learning to work with precision, with control, with intention, and to sharpen your eye, to master color, light, balance, and focus, and to become invisible in the best possible way, so the image can fully speak for itself. The platform is built for ambitious beginners and for experienced professionals who want to go deeper. The official launch of the Curated Lab is this Wednesday, January 21st, 2026. And because many of you here on YouTube have been asking for this and have supported me for a long time, we want to give something back. As part of our founder launch, you will receive 15% off if you join within the first 72 hours after launch. The founder offer is our way of welcoming the early supporters who want to be part of the lab from the very beginning. And if you want to follow the process more closely, see updates, behind the scenes content and announcements, make sure to follow the Curated Lab on Instagram and subscribe to our free newsletter on our dedicated website, the-curated-lab.com. Now it's time to take a quick look at the platform over here. You can see this is the starting page, and our goal is to give you insights into real-world productions that Per and me have experienced. And if you check it out, you will see what kind of Capture One styles and imagery you will find inside. You will learn more about why we created it. So I want to welcome you to visit the page and just check it out yourself. You will see that there's the lighting setup, the Capture One styles. You will see a lot of retouch workflows, and I will unpack all my techniques inside so that you can learn at your own pace. It's a space where we want to discuss with you and where there is a community that you can exchange each other in Discord. You can read from the experts that Per and me have been working with over time, and you will find everything that you want to know also about the plans that you can choose from. You can learn about Per and me and why we created the lab. And of course, here you can see the 3 different membership tiers that you can choose from: Signature, Pro, and Elite. And if you read everything, I think it's going to be very clear and you will understand what kind of benefits you get choosing each of the packages. Just to point one thing out, if you're interested in the live access and into like the live portfolio circles and the live Q&As, Elite is for you. And if you're happy with the recordings of those and you don't want to participate in the live, Pro is your choice. And if you just want to take a sneak, Signature might be a very good choice for the beginning, just to learn how the platform works and what kind of Capture One styles and lighting setups you can download. The retouching modules start with the Pro membership, and now you know what has been cooking over the last months and why I have been silent for a while. Not because I'm not here anymore. It was because I was listening and I was busy building the lab with Per. All right, now it's time to take action. All links are in the description. I'd love to welcome you inside the lab and take this next step together. Thanks for being here. I'll see you inside the Curated Lab.